Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting upcoming mirrorless cameras, the Nikon Z7 III. With cutting-edge technology, advanced imaging capabilities, and rumored global shutter implementation, this camera is shaping up to be a game-changer. Whether you're a professional photographer, a passionate videographer, or someone looking for the next-level hybrid camera, the Z7 III is expected to deliver everything you need and more. In this deep dive, we'll explore its rumored specifications, performance upgrades, and how it stacks up against competitors like the Sony A7 IV and Canon EOS R5. Revolutionary sensor and image quality. One of the biggest talking points about the Nikon Z7 III is its sensor technology. Nikon is rumored to be developing a 61-megapixel back-illuminated CMOS sensor, possibly sourced from Sony, similar to the A7 RV. This high-resolution sensor will allow photographers to capture incredible details, making it ideal for landscape photography, commercial shoots, and studio work. There are also speculations about global shutter technology, which could eliminate rolling shutter issues and enable ultra-fast image capture. But what sets this apart from its predecessor, the Nikon Z7 II? The new sensor is expected to deliver improved dynamic range, enhanced low-light performance, and more accurate color reproduction thanks to an upgraded dual XP7 image processor. This enhancement will allow for better noise reduction, faster processing speeds, and smoother performance in high-resolution shooting scenarios. Next-gen autofocus and AI tracking. Autofocus technology is where Nikon has been making major strides. The Z7 III is rumored to feature a 493-point phase detection autofocus system, enhanced by AI-driven subject tracking. This means better accuracy in wildlife, sports, and portrait photography, with the ability to lock onto subjects faster and more precisely. Nikon's deep learning AI system is also expected to improve face, eye, and animal detection, bringing it closer to Sony's top-tier autofocus performance. This will be a huge advantage for action photographers and filmmakers who need reliable, lightning-fast focusing capabilities. Enhanced image stabilization and ergonomics. One of the standout upgrades in the Nikon Z7 III is its in-body image stabilization. The Z7 II featured 5 stops of stabilization, but the new model is rumored to offer up to 8 stops of stabilization. This is a huge leap forward, allowing for handheld shooting in low-light conditions without compromising image sharpness. Additionally, Nikon is expected to implement focus point VR, as seen in the Nikon ZF, to further improve stabilization when using long telephoto lenses. This makes the Z7 III an excellent choice for wildlife, sports, and handheld video shooting. As for the design, the Z7 III will likely retain the magnesium alloy body with weather sealing, ensuring durability in extreme conditions. The 3.2-inch 4-axis tilting touchscreen LCD is another expected upgrade, making it easier to compose shots from different angles. A high-resolution 5.76 electronic viewfinder is also rumored, providing a crisp and clear real-time preview of images. High-speed performance and burst shooting. Performance is another area where the Nikon Z7 III is expected to shine. With the dual XP7 processors, the camera is rumored to support burst shooting speeds of up to 20 frames per second in full resolution. This would be a significant improvement over the Z7 II's 10 frames per second burst mode, making it a strong contender against the Sony A7 RV and Canon EOS R5. With a high-speed buffer, photographers will be able to capture long bursts of images without lag, crucial for sports and action photography. If Nikon integrates global shutter technology, it could bring zero distortion at high shutter speeds, making it a breakthrough for the brand. Video capabilities. 8K and beyond. For videographers, the Z7 III could be one of Nikon's most advanced hybrid cameras yet. Rumors suggest the camera will feature 8K video at 30 frames per second and 6K full sensor readout for improved detail and dynamic range. It is also expected to support 4K at 120 frames per second, allowing for cinematic slow-motion recording. One of the most exciting rumors is the possibility of 12-bit NRAW internal recording, giving filmmakers greater flexibility in post-production. Nikon has already implemented strong heat management in cameras like the Z9 and Z8, so we could see similar advancements in the Z7 III, making it a powerhouse for professional videography. Connectivity and battery life. The Z7 III is expected to include dual CF Express Type B card slots, allowing for high-speed data transfer and better workflow efficiency. Wireless connectivity will likely be upgraded with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2, ensuring faster file transfers and seamless remote shooting. In terms of battery life, Nikon may introduce a new high-capacity EL15C battery with USB-C fast charging, giving users more shooting time without frequent recharging. Expected release date and pricing. According to industry insiders, the Nikon Z7 III is expected to be announced between August and November 2025. Pricing is likely to fall between $3,500 and $3,800, slightly above the Z7 II's launch price but still positioned below the flagship Nikon Z8. If Nikon can deliver on these specifications and competitive pricing, the Z7 III could be one of the best high-resolution mirrorless cameras of 2025, attracting professional photographers, hybrid shooters, and filmmakers alike. Final thoughts. Should you wait for the Nikon Z7 III? The Nikon Z7 III is shaping up to be a powerful contender in the high-end mirrorless camera market. With rumored 61MP resolution, global shutter possibilities, improved AI autofocus, 8K video recording, and up to 8 stops of image stabilization, it could be Nikon's most advanced hybrid camera yet. What do you think of the rumored Nikon Z7 III? Are you excited about the possible global shutter sensor and its advanced autofocus system? Don't forget to subscribe to Techno Trend Zone for more updates on the latest camera gear, leaks, and reviews.